Guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in REALME 60. So at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you don't see it here, click on the three dots and choose the Edit Tiles. Now look for the Do Not Disturb mode. You can add the icon by the plus. And now be sure that you have this switcher deactivated. Little obvious, I know, but something can miss it, so just check it. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Then go to the Manage Notifications, of course check that you have this switcher activated, and turn on the lock screen and banner, of course. Now also add a ringtone and vibrate the switchers to the active position. Then go back and tap on the data usage. Now enable the background data here and check that you have deactivated the disable Wi-Fi and mobile data, like here. In the next step, try to clear cache of your app, so go to the storage usage and tap on the clear cache button. If you still don't have your notifications, try to clear all the applications, so clear data and choose delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. Before that, make a backup of your message. Okay, if you still don't have your alerts, try to reset your network settings, so go to the additional settings and tap on the backup reset. Then go to the reset phone, choose the network settings and configure your password. Tap on the reset network settings and check your notifications. And in the last step, try to update the system, so go back to the settings, choose About Device and tap on the REALME UI. Now if you have any updates, just install it and check it again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.